Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shamira. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a very honest review of Curlsmith hair products. Okay, so I have been reviewing these products for the past couple of weeks to make sure I know exactly how they work and how they would work into my curly hair routine so I can give you guys the best review and demo possible. I'm ready to find a new hair routine. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to go on to the interweb because that is where you learn everything. I'm going to turn on my screen recording so I can pop this bad boy up. If I actually get it to pop up right here, I'm going to be like very impressed with myself. Cool. So we're on YouTube. Obviously, who do we want to search? Mains by Mel. She's literally our queen, and she's an actual hairstylist, unlike me who just tries to figure this ish out, people. Yeah, let me go to her channel. Okay, so I tried to find videos with her and her sister because her sister has hair that's more similar to mine. There was a video that I am interested in, but I just want to double check. Yeah, so it's the how to air dry curly hair without frizz video. We don't really need to watch the video because like we get it, they're perfect. But I'm gonna go down here and look at the products. That's what I thought. She uses Curlsmith. And here's the thing, has anyone ever seen Curlsmith talked about besides like on these videos on YouTube? Like I don't see it on Instagram, I don't see it in stores, I don't hear anyone talking about it, but I see it pop up on all my curly girls on YouTube. So I'm like, is it a scam? Is it an affiliate link? Like obviously people pay money to get their products talked about on YouTube, like that ain't no secret, hon. But I'm just wondering if these are fake or if it's real. But still, I want to try it out. So here's what I'm thinking. Let's check their website really quickly because a lot of like curly hair websites have trial sizes. So if we can get some trial sizes, that would be ideal because I don't want to be playing around with a full-size crappy product, you know? So they do have trial sizes, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get the trial size of two, count them, two products. I'm gonna order them right now. Hopefully they're good. I'll let you guys know. But I'm really excited. It's gonna be so nice to have some new fresh digs. I'm excited. I'm a little too giddy about this, but it's gonna be cool. That was weird. I'm getting weirder by the second. It's just, it's happening. Okay, starting with my hair soaking wet. I just got out of the shower and I'm actually gonna even put some more water in it because it's supposed to be soaking wet, you know? So now that our hair, why am I doing this? So now that our hair is truly soaking wet, honestly, could use one more spray. Okay, great. We are going to use the Hold Me Softly Balm. I'm gonna put in about that much. I might add more. And we're gonna rake it through our hair. Okay, great. I feel it hydrating. It's got a good slip, as they say in the curly hair world. All right, next, we're gonna take the next section down. So let's take the top of our hair down. And we're gonna rake. We're gonna rake. We're gonna rake. I wish I was a good singer so that would be more impressive. I was in choir in high school. In show choir, I had a solo to Don't Stop Believin', and I thrived. And then at the end of it, my teacher said, you're not the best singer, but you're a great performer, which makes me think it was just little high school me being like so into it, but just so off key. And they were like, that works. The hair in the back of my head is just like very frizzy and annoying and constantly dry. So I have to put more product just in the back of my hair because she's up and we have to tame her. So it's like this part, this back part, I don't know if you can even see that, of my hair, that's crazy. But I kind of like her, you know? She like keeps me on my toes. Okay, I think she's good. Are you okay back there? Yeah, she's fine. So now we're gonna take this brush. I know it's really crazy. I saw it on Mains by Mel's channel and then I bought it. So I'm just gonna brush my hair. Oh my god, why is my hair so tangled? This is why it's important to brush. Obviously you don't want to brush your hair when it's dry because you gonna look like the before picture in my thumbnail. If you guys saw that, which I feel like you did if you clicked on this video. It's not a cute look. I'm gonna push all my hair back. This is a trick to give your hair extra volume. Now that our hair is wet, brushed, creamed up, we are going to get in with this gel. Taking a good amount, same amount I used. Ew, literally disgusting. My hair is falling out left and right. Curly hair problems. I'm not gonna rake it through. I'm gonna gently use a gentle clam motion and just apply it like this. This gel honestly feels like very moisturizing, which is cool because some gels, when you put them on your hair, feel so dry. It makes your hair feel disgusting. But this one feels like it's moisturizing and gelling. I honestly feel like this gel and I are gelling. Dad joke. Lastly, I'm just going to take a bit more and put it on the top of my hair. And then I'm going to part my hair and put it there. Great! So now I'm going to quickly hair plop my hair. If you guys haven't done it, it's so good. If you want me to make a video on how to do it, like this video so I know, because it's like changing the game of hair, people. So I'm gonna go do that really quickly and then I'm gonna come back. No one said it was gonna be cute, but she gets the job done. So my hair has been drying for probably, I think, like 45 minutes. So I think we're ready to take it out. And let's see how this plopped. Okay, so this is my hair after plopping. You can see my hair is like very curly and it looks good. It's not frizzy. However you leave your hair wet is how it's gonna look dry. So I like these curls. I think they look good. It's not frizzy. So now we're gonna air dry, if you can believe it. And I'll check back in with you guys once it's actually dry. You guys, I love it. I think it looks so good. It honestly looks better than the last time I did it. It looks so good. I'm like obsessed with it. So this is the fun part. Just literally scrunch out the cast because the gel makes a cast on your hair, which is like really crunchy, and we don't want crunchy curls. We want luscious curls, am I right? Here's what we're gonna do next. So my hair was parted in the middle while it was drying, but I like to part it on the side like this, and then that way it kind of gives it a little bit more volume right here. I truly think this is the best my curls have actually ever looked. Like, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. And like, I think it looks so pretty and so precious. Like, ugh, they just look like perfect curls. And look at the back. You guys, I literally love it. Ugh, I wish that I could go outside and show it off to the world, but I will just have to have my boyfriend stare at me for a few hours today. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Obviously, the results have come in and we've decided that this was a huge hit. Literally obsessed with the curls it gave me. I love them so much. This is actually second day hair. I'm filming this after the first part of the video that I filmed, so they definitely even held up on the second day, and we love that. If you like this video, definitely make sure that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and if you think that somebody else might find this helpful, then definitely share it with them as well. Alright, you guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye!